Manipur today celebrated Sajibu Nongma Panba Chairauba with great fervor and gaiety. Chairauba, the new year of the Manipuris, is celebrated on the first day of Sajibu month Manipuri lunar calendar. Followers of Sanamahi religion celebrate Sajibu Nongma Panba Chairauba or Meitei Chairauba in Manipur. Festive dishes are prepared from vegetables to be offered to deities for a grand feast for families. After getting blessings from Lainingtho Sanamahi, the supreme deity of the Meitei, a number of dishes are prepared using the offerings. On October Singin Numit or Martyrs' Day, people from all walks of life paid floral tribute at the memorial site of 9 martyrs located atop Cheraocheng in Imphal. Floral tributes were paid to slain cadres of Revolutionary People's Front (RPF) and its Armed Wing People's Liberation Army (PLA) on the occasion of October Singin Numit. Thousands of people in mourning clothes, including family members and friends of those killed in encounters with security forces, paid floral tributes at the memorial site located at Cheraocheng on the outskirts of Imphal city. Family members, friends and relatives of the 9 martyrs along with people from different parts of the state today paid floral tribute at the Martyrs Memorial Site located at Kodompokpi in Imphal West. The day remembers the 9 PLA cadres who were killed by security forces on April 13 of 1982 at Kodompokpi. Poirei Lemarol Meira Paibi Apunba Manipuri President Ima L. Memchobi also paid homage to the martyrs. The coronavirus situation in India continues to remain grim as the country continues to see an upsurge in its virus cases. India today registered 1.61 lakh COVID-19 cases, surpassing Brazil to become the second worst hit country from COVID-19. In some good news for the centre's vaccination strategy to combat the COVID-19 disease, India approved Russian jab Sputnik 5 as the third COVID-19 vaccine for restricted use in the country. The approval to Russians Sputnik 5 was given based on a very strong immunogenicity data shown by the vaccine. India, which became the 60th country to approve the use of Russia's Sputnik 5 vaccine in an emergency situation, will produce over 850 million doses of the vaccine annually. This will be sufficient to vaccinate more than 425 million people around the world, Kirill Dmitriev, CEO of the Russian Direct Investment Fund, has said. The total population of 60 countries where Sputnik 5 is approved for use is 3 billion people, or about 40% of the global population. A one-day awareness campaign on COVID-19 vaccination and advocacy with regard to the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic and COVID-appropriate behavior was held today at Longmai Nonai Bazaar Community Hall in Nonai District. The campaign was organized by BJP ST Morcha Manipur Pradesh and BJP ST Morcha Tamenglong District in collaboration with District Health Society Nonai.